Everyone, this tutorial will teach you how to fill in rows on Timeline.js. Go to timeline.nightlab.com. If you watched the previous tutorial and clicked on the timeline template, your screen should look like this. To clear this template, highlight the entire template except the top row and then click delete. In the top row, you will see the different sections on your timeline. When you hover over each column, it will give you more information about that column. I will start off my timeline by naming it based on my subject. I will start with the year. The month, day, and time is optional based on if you have that information. And year and month and day and time are also optional based on if your subject has an end date. Your display date will override anything that you put in the year, month, day, and time section of your timeline. For headline, you add a quick description of your subject. The text is more info based on your headline and subject. For media, you can add a link from Vimeo, SoundCloud, Dailymotion, Instagram, TwitPic, or Twitter status, or Google Plus status. Basically, a link from anywhere. I'm going to add this picture and paste the link in my timeline. A media credit is where you just credit where you got your media from. A media caption is similar to a picture caption. You just caption your picture or your media. The type you can choose if this row will be your title or just another subject in your era. This row will be my title, so I'm clicking title. For group, you can show that your subject or event is related to something else. Based on what else you put in your timeline, you can group them together. And for background, you can also add a picture or a color, and that will show up in your background. To add more rows at the bottom, you just enter in the number of rows that you want. I'll add 3 and click add, and it will show up at the bottom. To delete a row, you right click on the number and then press delete row. Google automatically saves your project, so you don't have to worry about that. And then once you add everything in your rows, you would have created your timeline. Thank you for watching this tutorial.